how to install Sprkl through the VS Code marketplace. So I already opened up VS Code client. So I'll go to the extensions tab and search for Sprkl. Click on the install button. Now I can see that the sloth icon of Sprkl was added to the left panel, and it requires me to sign up to get started. So I'll just put my personal stuff. Nice. Now I need to install and activate Sprkl client. Sprkl has provided me credentials and a token, and provides me the instructions which I need to follow. So I can copy the commands they give me. This one, install Sprkl using npx. So let's do that. Yes. Okay, now the installation is finished of the client, of course. The second stage is to create a symlink for the CLI. So we need the Sprkl CLI in order to launch the Sprkl scripts without telling the full path every time. So Sprkl suggests to link to user local bin, which is fine by me. So I'll just run the given command. Looks fine. Okay, let's check that Sprkl was installed. Right, looks good. Now I need to activate the client. So I'll take the cloud activation command they gave me and launch this command. Okay, looks like the activation is finished. Both the CLI and the dashboard as shown. And let's try run Sprkl example project to see that it actually works. So if I don't see anything on the dashboard at the first sight, probably I should reload the IDE. Yeah. Okay. Looks like everything is sticking, and you should be able to start working with Sprkl.